Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ReferralCandy for store referrals in the US step by step clearly. To enable ReferralCandy for store referrals in the US, start by visiting the ReferralCandy website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once registered, log into your ReferralCandy account. On the dashboard, select the Settings tab from the menu. Next, click on the Integrations option. Scroll down to find the e-commerce platform that your store uses. Click on the Connect button next to your platform. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your store. After connecting, navigate back to the Settings tab. Locate the Referral Program section. Configure your referral program by setting the commission for referrals. Customize the referral email template to match your store's branding. Enable the automatic setup option if you prefer a quick start. Review your setup, ensuring all details are correct. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button to apply your changes. To finalize the process, navigate to the Dashboard section. Here, you can view and monitor your referral program's performance. Test the setup by making a test referral to ensure everything is functioning properly. Your ReferralCandy program is now enabled for store referrals in the US. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.